project. This guy here is from Newark, New Jersey, dirty Jersey, and somebody wrote it right down into the stop for the spring here. So I'm hoping that I can get lucky and we'll see if we can make this guy work again. First things first, we'll check the flint out. And hope that we can get the flint chooching again. Without losing it. Don't lose it. That might be the wrong size flint, huh? Dang it. Well, try one more time, but I think that spring's completely compressed. Flint fits, but does not fit. What the hell? I don't think there's anything in the way. Could be something in the way. Could be an old flint stuck in there, I guess, huh? But I highly doubt it, since this one seemed to fit right up in there. And you can see maybe. Maybe there is a flint stuck in there. Alright, well, let's see if we can find some tiny tools. I don't think I have any eyeglass tools up in here, but maybe. Everything's a mess, huh? Oh, no, those are small enough. Alright, well, let's find the right tools. We won't bore you. I was trying to say here we have a old zippo from Newark, New Jersey, and I thought initially maybe it just needed a flint, but after trying to put the flint in it, I feel like maybe there's a flint stuck in there. So we'll take it apart here. Not like I have anything better to do on a Saturday afternoon. That one does not want to come out. It seems like it is stripped. That's phenomenal. Pardon my rude croaking. Well, and I guess that's why it won't get fixed. That sucks a bit. What else can I jam down on the side of that without damaging it, huh? Does this fit down in there? Just maybe apply a little pressure on the back side of that. Maybe we can get it to go, but it does not want to go. So that is the problem. And probably why this thing was sitting around and junked up the way it was. Oh, but somebody spent enough money on it at one point or another, they were like, I'm not throwing it out. It's usually how I do things. I feel like it did come all the way out. Or it's damn near close to it. Oh, isn't that a shame? Really sort of need that to come off in order to get to the business end on this. And I'm hoping that I don't shoot it all over the place, but it won't be the first time I shot something all over the place. There we go, almost out. Ah. Oh, hope I didn't break it. Definitely feels like I need a pair of pliers or something small to push that guy through the other side there. Hang on here. Let's yeah. Yeah, that definitely looks like that is plugged up permanently. Huh. I would say that is not going to work unless we can get that through. There it goes. I don't know what the heck that was, but looks like somebody stuck a piece of stone in there. Now let's see if that comes all the way through. It's the wrong piece. Nope. So let's see if I don't even know what you can see, but you might have to get a drill And drill that out a little bit. 100-year-old ash. There we go. Now it comes all the way through. All that for that. Now, I can probably put some lubrication in here then at a later point while we have this all apart. Let's have a look-see at the wick area. Doesn't look terrible. As far as this goes, this looks like it'll work just fine. Let's roll it back together. Sure, Sharon will be extra happy that I got this crap all over the table, but technically it's my table, I guess, but I won't tell her that because she might leave me. And I guess I didn't need to try to force that out on that side. And I probably should go from the other side. I guess it is this side. Just didn't feel like that. Uh-oh. Let me see what's going on in the back. I forgot to put this on. Sounds like I got my neighbors in my backyard. I'm alright with that though. I asked him if he needed me to move any crap, because I have some crap out there. This one. Oh, there. Oh no, come on. Oh. Does look like there's a rubber O-ring in there, maybe. Very nice. Very, very nice.